Are you frustrated by your drawing skill and want to improve? Well, you just might be committing these 5 beginner drawing mistakes. I've totally been there. When I was drawing back in my early teens, I would bang my head against the table, really being frustrated to why my drawing skill wasn't improving as much as I had hoped. But looking back on it now, and with my years and years and over a decade of drawing experience under my belt, I can see exactly where I went wrong. And within this video, I'm going to share 5 beginner drawing mistakes so you don't fall into the same traps as I did. This will help propel your drawing skill to the next level. So let's get into it. Drawing mistake number 1, always drawing from photographs. As a beginner, it's tempting to always draw from photographs. It's accessible and pretty much anyone can do it from their mobile to their laptop. However, solely relying on drawing from photographs can actually stifle your drawing skill and actually stifle how much your drawing skill improves, as drawing from photographs doesn't allow you to consider things like depth, form, and also perspective. Drawing from photographs are essentially easier to draw from, as you're taking a 2D image and replicating that 2D image onto your drawing surface. We want to make drawing easier by doing the things and exercises which are considered harder. Try incorporating real-life observational drawings into your practice to help you consider things like form, perspective, and depth. So maybe you can draw your coffee mug, maybe you can draw your self-portrait, or maybe you can draw your mobile phone. Anything goes, and I really recommend observational drawings to really improve your skill. Beginner drawing mistake number 2, drawing with too many tones. Beginners often think that if they use multiple tones per drawing, it makes for a more realistic drawing. However, this is not true. By limiting your use of tones, it makes for a more concise, accurate, and actually realistic drawing. Focus on drawing with just 3 tones to begin with. So a light, a medium, and a dark tone. This will help you create clear and strong contrasts within your artwork. As remember, a good drawing is essentially a drawing with good shapes, which this definitely helps solve. As you become more confident, you can gradually increase the number of tones within your drawing. So for example, you could start using 5 tones and then 7 tones and then maybe even 8 or 9. Beginner drawing mistake number 3, rushing the basics. We all want to create stunning looking drawings and artworks, but rushing the basics, especially initially when you go to draw, can actually make for your drawing to be less successful in the future. Think about every drawing as a building. A strong and robust building needs the foundations and the structure before the things on the outside are built. So the windows and the bricks. And this allows the building to flourish. Without this underlining foundation and also structure, the building will collapse. Fundamentals include basic forms and basic shapes, so cylinders to circles, proportions, and also perspective. Practice drawing these basic forms and also basic shapes, and I've got the perfect drawing exercises video which you can follow in the top right corner there. It might sound tedious, but creating a strong foundation for every drawing that you create will make for better drawings going forward. Drawing mistake number 4. Not attending live drawing sessions was a massive mistake which I personally committed. I just didn't see the point in it, and I would attend, but I would just coast and not really fully immerse myself in these sessions, and how much of a mistake that was, as I really love live drawing sessions now, and it's really helped improve my drawing skill. Live drawing allows you to practice things like anatomy, proportions to perspective, but essentially it helps you improve your observational drawings. Drawing not what you think you see, but actually drawing what you see in front of you, as there's a big difference between those two. I highly recommend you attend live drawing sessions in person, in contrast to drawing from a screen or a photograph. This will really help improve your drawing skill the most. So make sure you attend these sessions and also don't commit to this classic beginner drawing mistake. Beginner drawing mistake number 5, wanting to do it all by yourself. Art can really be a solitary pursuit, but doing it by yourself can stifle your growth and improvement. Seeking feedback and learning from other artists is a great way to improve. Read books, watch YouTube videos like this one, consider going to higher education. Anything that can help you progress and improve and also grow. Being a self-taught artist is great, but I only think it can get you so far. This also allows you to socialize with other artists in the community by joining classes, seeing what they're doing in terms of their art and their style, and actually inspire and motivate you within your artistic pursuit. Sharing your work and actually getting feedback and also valuable criticism can really evolve your work and improve your work going forwards. Remember that every artist was a beginner, as there's always something new to learn, improve and grow. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a like, give me a comment below with how you got on with these tips, and also subscribe to the Portrait Guru for even more content in the future. And I highly recommend you checking out these drawing exercises to help you improve.